town hall where I am exhibiting some old Indian currency notes which have some unique and specific characteristics. I will just show you as to how the notes and coins are very unique which I have displayed here. Here we see some very old Indian 1 rupee notes, a few notes from pre-independence time, some notes post-independence. You will see notes which have the signature of our ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh over here. Okay. So these are some specialities. Then you see the latest 1 rupee note here. We are not seeing this much in the market, but it's released by the government. Then we have some very old 2 rupee notes here, different colors, different years, right from 1968 onwards till 2000. All the currency notes are here. Then you will see one very peculiar note here, a 50 rupees note, which has the pin code of Thane, that's 400601. Then you see another peculiar note, a 5 rupee note, which has 7 digits here. We usually see notes with 6 digits, but this is a 7-digit note. Then we have old 500 rupee notes. Then we have a few old 10 rupee notes, which again bear the signature of Mr. Manmohan Singh when he was the governor of the Reserve Bank. And we have a few notes, 10 rupee notes, which have the same serial numbers but different series. So the collection goes on, so on and so forth, where we have currency notes with fancy serial numbers. We have currency notes with a star series, where you can see a star in between the serial number and the note numbers. Then we have some very old 100 rupee notes. You can see this particular 100 rupee note, which is very big in size in a normal note. This was during the year 1967-68. Then we have these 100 rupee notes, which are called as a diamond 100 rupee notes, because the shape is in the form of diamonds. Then the notes progress. We have some very old 5 rupee notes, which have 5 deers and 7 deers on the reverse. They are very rare and not found very easily. Then we move on to another notes which have fancy serial numbers. So this is a part of my note collection. Moving on, I will show you a part of my coin collection. These are some foreign commemorative coins released by various countries. My collection has coins from Australia, UK, Turkey, Sweden. We have coins from Belgium. We have coins from the United States. We have coins from Australia as well. So this is a small sample of my coins. One peculiar coin is to commemorate the Concorde, which was the fastest plane which used to travel between London and Paris. Unfortunately, it crashed, but we have a coin which was released in its commemoration. Moving on, we go to the Indian commemorative coins. You see various coins released by the Reserve Bank of India to commemorate various events. We have coins of 75 rupees, 100 rupees, 125 rupees, 150 rupees. And the highlight of the collection is a 1000 rupee note, which was released by the RBI to commemorate 1000 years of the Brideshwara temple. So I am sure you would enjoy this collection. You should visit this collection, and we will soon have more such exhibitions in the future. I would like to thank Bhushan More and Bhumika, who are here in person to experience and visit this exhibition. And I'm sure with this particular news clip, when it is broadcast, when you guys see this, you will be more interested in visiting these exhibitions in the future. Thank you, Bhushan. Thank you for coming.